Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make money with YouTube Shorts by copying and pasting and without even showing your face. YouTube Shorts are getting 6.5 billion views every day. Yes, this much. But some people upload YouTube Shorts every day and they are not getting any views. On the other hand, some people upload just 5 or 10 YouTube Shorts and they are getting thousands and thousands of views. So today I'm going to show you a hot niche for YouTube Shorts. I'm going to show you a free tool that will help you to find right keywords. I'm going to show you how to create videos in just 5 minutes just by copying and pasting, totally free. I'm going to show you also how to create multiple streams of income from your YouTube Shorts channel. And yes, this is available worldwide. So without further ado, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to begin. One of the best niches for YouTube Shorts are facts. When you come here on VidIQ, I will leave you link in description for VidIQ. Yes, it is my affiliate link, but don't worry, you can register for a free version of VidIQ. It will get the job done. And actually for this video, I will use a free version of VidIQ. So when you come here on VidIQ and here in search bar, and when you type facts and click search, you will see that 1,256,000 people search this word here, facts, every month on YouTube. And here you will see some suggestions, interesting facts, 381,000, amazing facts, 202,000, random facts, 85,000. And when I click here, for example, on interesting facts, I will get even more suggestions, interesting facts about ocean. 1,383 searches, interesting facts compilations, 3,000 searches, interesting facts general knowledge, 2,000 searches, and so on and so on. So you can use VidIQ to get the keywords, to get the ideas for your videos that you can actually rank on YouTube and get lots of free traffic, lots of free views from YouTube. And when you go on YouTube and when you search hashtag shorts facts, you will see that many people are uploading YouTube Shorts about all kind of facts and they are getting thousands and thousands of views on their YouTube Shorts. So this niche has a huge potential. So let's check channel of this guy here, Luke Davidson Facts, and go on videos. And as you can see, this guy has 1 million subscribers and his videos are getting thousands and thousands of views. But what is interesting is when you actually sort his videos by the oldest, you will see that he actually uploaded his first video on this channel just 6 months ago. And for these 6 months, he already got 1 million subscribers. And when we go on Social Blade to check his channel now, Social Blade is not accurate when it comes to estimate earnings, but they are accurate when it comes to number of uploaded videos, number of subscribers, and number of views. And as you can see, this guy uploaded 186 videos in past 6 months, and those 186 videos got him 1 million subscribers. And look at this. 154 million views in past 30 days. 154 million views in just 30 days. And when you go back on his channel, you will see that his videos are really simple and literally anybody can make videos like this in just 10 minutes. But if you don't want to show your face, if you don't want to film videos by yourself, you can make videos without showing your face. It's literally copy and paste. And what you need to do, you need to go on Canva and you need to register for a free account on Canva. And after you register, what you need to do, you need to click here to find mobile video. So let me just click here to find mobile video. Okay, mobile video, click here. So now you need to find some facts. So what you need to do, you need to go on website called Facts site. These guys collected whole bunch of facts about whole bunch of things. 10 facts about number 9. 101 unlimited facts everybody should know. 200 fan facts. 100 history facts. 100 interesting facts about space. And when you scroll here you can see popular today, so you can actually follow trends. And here you can see categories and subcategories: entertainment, science and nature, world history, and here you can see some more categories and subcategories. So let's say I wish to use this space facts, so I will click here on 101 interesting space facts. And here I can see a list of 100 interesting facts about space. Mercury and Venus are the only two planets in our solar system that have no moons. And this is actually interesting photo and interesting fact that I can use in my video. And you need to choose, let's say, 5 or 10 facts. So let's say I wish to use this one here. Our solar system is 4.5 billion years old. So let's say I wish to use this one as my first fact. So I can simply Ctrl C to copy this, and now I need to go back on Canva and I need to add a background image or a background video. So what I need to do, I need to click here on elements and I need to type here something like universe. For example, click here on universe, and here you can see photos and videos that you can use for your YouTube shorts. Now what often happens is that these photos and videos are often available only for pro members of Canva. If that happens for your niche, you can simply go on Pexels, Pexabay or Unsplash and find royalty-free photos and videos there that you can use in your YouTube shorts. So let's say I wish to use this first video here for my first fact. So I will just click here and I need to drag this to enlarge it. Okay, just like this. Okay, let me just pause this video and I will make it even larger, just like this, to fit the template. And I can even make it center like this. Okay, and this video is 20 seconds long, but I need to make it shorter, so I will just click here to cut this video and I will do this and I will just drag this slider to make this video, let's say, 5 seconds long, and then click here on done, and that's it. I made this video 5 seconds long, so this is my first slide. So what I need to do next is I need to click here on this X and I will choose this square element here. Okay, and I will make it like this. And as you can see, video in the background is blurry. Don't worry, it will be clear when you export this video. So I will make it wider, just like this. Okay, and I will change the color. So let's say, for example, yellow, and I will make it semi-transparent like this. Okay, and now I need to add text, so just click here on this T for text and I will choose this first style here and I will drag this and I will delete this and I will delete this, and here I can say fact number 1, just like this. And now I need to add my fact, so I can go back on fact site and I can simply copy this, Control C or copy, right click copy and enter, and I can paste it here. So let me just make this center and I will actually align this and I will make it wider like this and like this, and I will make it smaller just like this. Okay, and I will make it move it here. Okay, this looks good. Now, if you can add your voiceover to these facts, it would be great. But if you don't want to add your voiceover, you can simply add some song. Now, to add song, just go here and click on audio, and you can add this song to your videos. But problem is, many of these songs on Canva are actually available only for Pro members. So what you can do is, you can simply go on YouTube audio library and YouTube will give you royalty-free songs and sounds that you can use in your videos. So here in search bar you can type something related to your topic, to your fact. So for example, let's say space, and click search, and YouTube will give you list of songs related to space, and all you have to do is just click here on download and you will download that song to your desktop. Then just go back on Canva, click here on uploads and upload that song to your Canva account, and you can add that song to your YouTube Shorts video that you are creating in Canva. So this is my first slide, this is my first fact. Now I need to add another slide for my second fact. So all I have to do is just click here on this plus and I added a new slide. And again, I need to add a background image or a background video. So all I have to do is just go back on elements and here I can search universe again And I actually need to choose my second fact, so I will go back on facts site and I will find another fact. So let's say my second fact will be this one about Mercury and Venus. So I will just highlight Venus, Control C for copy, and I will actually search that here. Paste, click search to see will I find any results for Venus. Okay, I found some results. So let's just scroll through these images to see are there any good. Is this what I'm actually looking for? So let me just scroll. So let's say I wish to use this one here, for example. Maybe this is not Venus, but it's okay photo. And I will actually make it fit to this template like this, make it larger, and I will move it like this. Okay? And you can actually animate these photos. Just click here on animate, and you can make it zoom just like this, and you can make it flow just like this. You can make it fade, you can make it breathe, but I will make it flow. For example, this looks great. Just click here, as you can see. Okay, and now I need to add my second fact, so just go back here on elements, and I will again choose square. Okay, this is the square, and I will do this, and I will make it larger just like this and longer, and I will simply go back here and I will copy this. And I actually forgot I need to choose here text, and I will use same text style. I will delete this and I will delete this, and I need to say fact number 2, and I need to go back here and I need to click Ctrl C for copy, and I need to paste it here. Okay, I will make this wider like this and like this, and I will make it center, and I will make it smaller like this, and I will do this. Okay, and I can again increase line spacing. Just click here like this. Okay, and you can actually animate this text. Just click here and then click on animate, and then click here on text again, and you can animate text. So let's say burst, for example, as you can see, and I can also say bounce, and I will leave it like this. Okay, and you can actually add transitions between these two slides to make it even more interesting. All you have to do is just click here on this plus and then click here on transitions. And you can choose one of these transitions. So let's say this one here, for example. You see how this looks? Or like this. Or I can simply choose this one here, for example. Okay. Or something like this. And you have more options here, like this, and you need to choose one of these transitions. And you need to add at least 3 more files, and you need to add either your voiceover or some kind of music to make your video more interesting, to make people watch your YouTube shorts entirely. Also, really important, pay attention on your video length. Here you can see length of the video that you are making currently is 9 seconds. So after you finish everything, after you finish your video, all you have to do is just click here on download, choose MP4, click here download, and download that video to your desktop. And all you have to do after that, just go back to your YouTube channel, upload that video, and in the title or description you need to add hashtag shorts, or you can simply add hashtag shorts in the title and also in the description. And that video must be under 60 seconds long. Now, problem is, you cannot make that much money from YouTube Shorts and YouTube Partnership Program. You will most likely make just a few cents per 1,000 views. So what you can do is, you can actually create your own print-on-demand store, and you can promote that store on your YouTube Shorts. So all you have to do is just go on Teespring, and on Teespring you can create your own custom print-on-demand store totally free, and you can sell digital products and physical products, and you can even add your own custom domain, and you can sell t-shirts, bags, hats, hoodies, leggings, pillowcases, mugs, stickers, and so on and so on. And you can do exactly the same thing on Redbubble. And also on Redbubble you can sell stickers, t-shirts, pillowcases, phone cases, and so on and so on. And you can promote that store on your YouTube shorts, and you can make money from YouTube ads, and you can also make money by selling print-on-demand products. So this is how you make money with YouTube shorts without making videos by yourself.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.